Hello, everybody. So I'm going to make a quick stream right here, and I'm going to be uh, discussing or learning differential equations. It's just going to be basic differential equations. So let's start. Just going to be reading this in my head. You guys feel free to read it as well if you want to. hmm So let's make a mind map right here. I'll just abbreviate it as DE, differential equations. So differential equations basically just are how do I say this? They're basically just a combination. Okay. Uh, they're basically just how do I say this? Okay. Functions meets derivatives. Okay. They're basically just that. Okay. Functions meet derivative. Y prime equals 3x squared. Okay.
Belum masuk mau. Udah iya.
I don't think you got to do all that. I mean, if you see over here, okay, it looked pretty easy. But so what happened here? The constants. There's one constant. It's the only. This is eliminate C. C. Take the derivative of that equation of C is equal to C. chain rule. Okay, so you're basically just uh, getting the derivative of whatever the function is. And that's basically differential equations. Let me try doing this on my own. But first I gotta pull up the derivative rules. Okay. We got derivative rules from 0 line x1. Okay. Square root 2x. Square root and then times it to x minus dx minus logarithms are this economically function derivative cosine is a negative sine of x, tangent of x is secant squared of x. These are what I'm referring to. So some rule. What are we dealing with right here? I'm just going to completely ignore this. Okay, I'm trying to get to this. I'm trying to get to the answer by solving it on my own. So we have y prime equals 2x. So we have an exponent here. So I believe if you have an exponent, okay. No, if you have a square. No, 2x. And a function, the derivative. Oh, so you have a derivative and you're trying to turn it back to a function, I believe. I got it mixed up. You're actually turning this to a function. Okay, since it's a derivative and it has a prime number, prime sign. So we have x squared. Okay, I guess that's it. So let's try this. Y prime plus 3y equals 6x plus 11. Okay, so we have this. Okay. So in order to get the function from this, you just have to refer to one of these. We have hold on. We have a derivative like this. We have a derivative like this. Plus, it's plus. Let me just check what happens here. So we have this solution to differential equation. Verify the solution first calculate using a chain rule. Ah, I see. So you're using a chain rule. You're using a chain rule right here. God damn, there's a lot of parentheses. And there's a lot of parentheses. So let me just use this. Okay. Just try that. Huh. So if we substitute everything here, Substitute everything. I'm probably going to get. I'm not sure what was going on here. So you have this 3 minus 2x. Wait, is this the same example? Oh, this. Oh. Wait. What happened there? Why did it turn to e negative 3x? Hmm. Let me just search. Let me just. Hold on. Hold on, wait. Hold on. What the? How do I copy this? Doesn't let me copy this. Let me just. First order linear differential equation. Already 13. Okay. On the left is a linear, first order linear differential equation. We have y prime plus 3y equals 3 6x plus 11. Expression on the right is y equals e to negative 3x plus 2x plus 3. This is a differential equation. So we get from one to the other. Find the integrating factor. The equation is in this form. It's in the form. P equals p of x p of x is p equals x is 3. I see. Integrating factor is also this so differential equation basically just mixes differential equations basically just mixes derivatives and integrals, functions and derivatives and integrals. I don't really know how it got you, but I'm assuming that you probably just use an integration rule. Integrating factor. Okay, so we have the integrating factors and mathematical tool used to solve first order linear ordinary. This is just the okay. So you just turn that. If you get a hold on. If you get something like this, okay. If you get something like this, no. If you get an equation like this, where you have two y's, it's basically going to be the integrating factor. So this the integrating factor is this apparently. Yeah. P of x, and then the derivative. Wait, no, I'm skipping steps. This is actually just the answer. This is just the answer to the integration of p of x, I think. Integration of p of x, yeah. Oh, multiply the whole equation by the integrating factor. Oh, Jesus Christ! So this is the integrating factors. You have to multiply everything with e of 3x. Okay. Sorry. So you multiply everything, like literally everything. So if you have a parentheses, it will count as one equation. Okay. So basically every monomial in here has to be multiplied with the integrating factor. That's how you solve the first order linear differential equation. So you basically just multiply the whole equation with the integrating factor after you get it from the differential equation. So integrate both sides. Oh Jesus Christ! You have to integrate. What? So you multiply the whole equation by integrating factor. After you multiply the whole equation, what's the left side? It's now the derivative of the product. So the left side is the derivative of the product. Now you have to integrate it again. What? So you integrate p of x. Okay. In the problem here, this is p of x. Okay. 3 is p of x. And you got the integrating factor of that, and you can multiply the integrating factor by all the components of the equation. And then after you multiply all the components in the equation, you basically just once you multiply it with the integrating factor, you will get in the left side it's a different derivative, and then the derivative you basically just have to integrate both sides again. It's basically just back and forth thing. Using integration by parts. Okay. Integration by parts? What the? What's integration by parts? Oh Christ. Let me just try and figure out myself. Integration by parts. So assuming they integrate this first, and then they integrate this. I'm not really sure of the integration by parts method. I'm gonna have to research on that. But there's so many steps to this. What the hell? There's so much steps for just one equation. And the person who wrote this basically just skipping the steps because they already know the steps. So for y. So what happened to the e to the power 3x? So right here? It became here? What? What the hell happened here? So you solve for y. Oh, so you divide both sides by y e of x. It's gonna be it's gonna be cancelled. Both. I think both of them is gonna be cancelled. I'm not really pretty sure, bro. General solution. This means the concept was supposed to be 1. Oh Christ. That's a lot of stuff. Let me skip that. Oh my god, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. Now let's move on. There's a lot of stuff. Differential equation. God damn. My essentials on my basics on derivatives and integrals are basically very wobbly, and I haven't even memorized all of this. Okay, I haven't even taken into account all this stuff. So differential equations are going to be very hard for me. So I guess I'll just go back to derivatives and derivatives and integrals again. Basically, I'm just going back. Let me just solve like two let me solve like a couple of questions. Hold on. Five. Rotates. Let me just go. It's already fast. It's already evening. Okay. Let me just check here. Okay. So find the derivative of fx plus y. What the? Let me just. Let me just try it. Let's try it again. Integration rule. Okay. I'll actually bookmark this. Okay. So let's solve a little bit of derivatives. I hope I can answer this with stock knowledge. Okay, so we have f of x equals 7x to the power 4 minus 5x squared. I really have to work on my basics right here because I jumped straight into differential equations, and differential equations you have to have a certain level of base knowledge on the derivatives and integrals. So me skipping all of this is probably not a good idea. So I'm probably just going to be posting a lot of videos soon about the basic calculus, just derivatives, integrals. I'm just going to be answering a lot of questions, and it serves as my practice as well. So when I make a new video, I'm probably going to be tackle differential equations as well. So what is power rule? I believe the power rule is for x to for x3, and we got 7 here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how you do it. You got 7. You basically got 9 times 1 here, and it's gonna be 9 minus 6. It's just going to be 3. 7 times 4. 7 times 4. What the hell? Oh no. 7 times 4 is 28. 28x cubed. That's gonna be f prime equals 28x cubed plus 3. Let me just get the answer sheets for this. Answer sheets. Okay. I'm not gonna look at that until I finish all this. To think that I have to learn a lot before you actually dive into this stuff. Okay. It's not even that I'm inept in math neither. Like, I can do math pretty well if I put my mind into it. But god damn it, you have to have a lot of base knowledge in this. Like, you have to have a groundwork on the kind of lessons that you learn first before you dive into the actual complex stuff. Like, I just saw a literal freaking presentation that spanned over how many equations, like, and they're basically just using all derivatives. And that's not even a complaint. That's literal facts. We have 3x squared, 2x squared, it's gonna be 6. 6x squared minus 5 times. Let me just, I think there was a derivative right here. There was a rule. Is there a rule? Oh no, there's no rule. I'm just going to times that, bro. So you have 2x plus 1. So, I think we're gonna fold this. Foil. Should we fold? Do I fold here? What? What? Oh, crap. Do I actually foil here? Oh, using product rule. Damn. There's a lot of rules. So many rules. Using product rule. What is the product rule? This whole website doesn't even cover all the derivative rules that are available. That is so bad. You are so bad for that. Here's check product rule. I guess it's kind of intuitive if you look at it from a different perspective. Because if you can already see how it turns out. It's to let me just let me just rewrite it. Why did I I removed it? Why did I remove it? God damn it! So we have that. Is it product rule? What's the product rule? Okay. So you have a function, then you're just gonna get the hold on. What the fuck? I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to swear, but this is actually so complicated. It's a little bit complicated, just to be honest. Just trying to be a little bit honest with you. So we have a find x, find f of x, find prime of prime of x. F of x is 6x cubed times. So let's try a different example like this. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. So basically happening is you times the function. Okay. Then you have what? This is g, okay? This is g of x. And then you're gonna get the what? Okay, so this is a g of x, and then you're gonna get the derivative here. Let me just get this. Oh my god. Let me just get the product rule right here. Alright, let's try to solve this first. So we have f of x. Okay, so we got so let's first start with 2 modify. Then we get the derivative of g of x, which is this. So we're just gonna write 2x, and I believe it's 0. Yeah, see, because it's a constant, right? Let me just check. What the fuck? Hold on, bro. So which what do you? Oh my, bro. Oh my god. You're so bad at this. God damn it. Expert. Okay, so this is. God damn it. So just when the derivative signs go right, it's actually on the left that you have to get the derivative of. So it's gonna be 3x. Oh shit, 3x. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? How the hell turns it? Oh my god. What the? You have 2x here. How does it turn to that? I thought I got it, but what the hell is happening? What the hell is happening? So you're getting the derivative of that. Somehow we got 6x squared? 6x squared? What? So let me just check this again. Using product rule. It's actually so confusing. Using product rule, we get 6x cubed and okay. Oh no! You get the derivative of what? Okay. I think I get it now. God damn. So yeah. Then you oh god, I get it now. Okay. So you basically just you get the f(x), okay? Yeah, f(x) right here. Then you get the derivative of g of x, which is gonna be 2x plus 4. No, I believe yeah. 2x 2x. You just get 2x, okay? Then plus in g of x, you get g of x. I think I get it now. G of x, then you get the derivative of the first function. It's gonna be 3x2 minus 5. No, 3x2. You get now you have to multiply it. Is that how you do it? I don't really know how this works. How is supposed to work? You have to multiply them? Bro. It's not telling me anything. God damn. How did it turn to 6x squared? How did it turn to 6x squared? So you have a product rule right here. You have two functions. This just u and v. So you get the is that? Oh my goodness! So you get the derivative of the first function, and it times it by the second function plus a copy paste function right here. Okay, let's try it again. Let's just try it again. This is actually very misleading. You're very misleading. I hate you for that. H for that. Just going to get the okay. Just going to get here. Okay. So once I get that, it's gonna be the derivative of the function here. So it's gonna be 2x. No. You get the derivative first of here. 3x, 3x2. Yeah, 3x2. Then you times it by 2, I believe. So it's gonna be 6x squared. It's gonna be 6x squared times the second function, which is x squared plus 4, and we just plus it with 2x cubed minus 5, and then derivative of the second function, which is 2x. Okay, so I believe that's the answer. Is that the answer? You have to simplify it. Oh, god damn it. To simplify. So I believe it's gonna be 6x 6x to the power 4 plus 6 times 4. It's gonna be 24. I believe that's correct. Okay. So it's gonna be 2x cubed. God damn. So 2x cubed. I'm just trying my best here for gonna be 4x cubed. It's gonna be 4x cubed, and then negative 5 times 2x. It's gonna be negative 10x. So is this answer? Is this answer? Hold the hell on. So it's actually I was wrong. You actually have to add the exponents right here. So what? How'd you get that? She said, oh yeah, I forgot. You actually have to add the x cubed right here. So yeah, get that. Then how do you make this 10x 4? They just plus the like terms. So we just get the 10x 4 plus 24 x squared minus 10x. I think that's the final answer for this. God damn you! How are you so hard? You're just one derivative. You're just one function to differentiate. How are you so hard? God damn! Pause. Right. And this is just question number 2, by the way. That is so. There really is just something else. There really is just something else. I'll check. So let's do another question before we leave. Actually, I have to end this live stream because I have school tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna end it now. Okay, it's getting pretty late. So thank you guys for watching. You know, it's just a small little stream. Thank you.